Stay tuned to see how I made these DIY Afro Puff resin coasters and keychains. Hey DIY clubbers, so a lot of my supplies for this video are going to be the same as my resin coasters that I did, but I'm just showing you a few of the things that I'm going to be using for this time, which includes some of these really adorable stickers I got off of Amazon, as well as these silicone molds from Amazon as well. And the smaller ones are going to be making keychains with those. So stay tuned, watch the video, and enjoy. Now here you see me mixing part A and part B together, making sure to combine thoroughly. You want to get the clear cups from the Dollar Tree so that you can actually see through the mixture and make sure that there are no streaks. This time I am going to try to dye my resin using micro powder, and I am just measuring out some of the resin into these smaller cups, and then I'm going to start to pour some resin into my bigger molds. Once I get a coat of resin down, that's when I'm going to add my stickers. Because this is my first time incorporating stickers into the resin, I wasn't sure if I needed to, or if I was able to place the sticker at the bottom and then pour the resin, or if I should encase the stickers into the resin. And so I opted for the latter option, which was encasing the stickers in between two layers of resin. The one thing I will say, you do want to keep an eye on it when it is drying, because the stickers can lift up, and so you want to make sure that you're able to continue to poke them back down once you pour your top coat of the resin. I'm also going to be utilizing some of these crushed glass sparkles and just adding those to the bigger of the molds. Now here is the micro powder, and I'm going to just mix a little bit of it into the separate cups of resin, and I'm using that really pretty kind of bronzy gold color and a pink. And this is what they look like once all of the resin is poured, all of the designs are made, and the stickers are added. And 24 hours later, here are what our Afro Puff resin coasters and keychains look like. For this being my first time playing around with the micro powder and adding stickers and things into the resin, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I have fallen in love. Playing around with resin, you definitely have to make sure that you're safe by wearing your gloves and your goggles, but the results that come out, look at this. Look at the detail. Like, it is so satisfying. That one's my ultimate favorite. It kind of looks like a tree growing. So if you guys decide that you are wanting to play around with resin, I highly encourage it, because it is so satisfying once you work with it and it comes out exactly how you were expecting. Leave me a comment as to what I should use next as a mold. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I am having so much fun messing around with resin, and there will be plenty more resin DIYs coming up. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.